Welcome to a world where coffee becomes more than just a beverage. Welcome to A Mindful Cup of Coffee, Rituals for the Senses. We're about to embark on a journey that transforms a simple morning routine into an immersive sensory experience. Our everyday cup of coffee, with its enticing aroma and rich flavor, holds the potential to be a profound moment of mindfulness. With each sip, we can engage all our senses and truly be present. Are you ready to engage all your senses and dive into the world of mindful coffee drinking? The ritual of mindfulness begins with the selection of coffee beans. Each bean tells a story of its origin, carrying within it the aroma and flavor of its homeland. Choosing the beans is a deliberate act, an opportunity to be fully engaged in the moment. Notice the texture, the weight, and the color of each bean. Grinding them is the next step, a sensory experience filled with the sounds of the grinder and the smell of freshly ground coffee. As you grind the beans, feel the texture, smell the aroma, and immerse yourself in this moment. As the brew begins, it's time to engage your senses. The coffee's journey from bean to cup is a symphony of transformations, each one worth observing. Notice the water as it dances through the grounds, turning from clear to a rich, dark hue. This is alchemy in motion, a testament to the power of heat and time. As the brew deepens, allow your sense of smell to take center stage. The aromas of coffee are complex and captivating, a heady mixture of bitterness and sweetness, earth and smoke. Breathe it in and let it fill you. A sensory meditation that anchors you in the now. Listen to the gentle sounds of brewing, the soft burble and hiss. It's a subtle soundtrack, understated yet powerful, a reminder of the simple pleasure that awaits. Each sense you engage brings you closer to this moment and closer to mindfulness. This is the art of brewing coffee, a ritual of presence and pleasure. Now comes the most awaited part, savoring your coffee. As you cradle the cup in your hands, let the warmth seep into your skin. Feel the comforting heat permeating your palms, a soothing balm against the chill of the world outside. Now breathe in the aroma, deep and rich. Let it fill your nostrils, let it wind its way into your senses, stirring memories, evoking thoughts. Inhale the scent of far-off lands, of rain-soaked earth, of sun-drenched plantations. Then take the first sip. Allow the liquid to wash over your tongue, to dance and play with your taste buds. Bitter and sweet, dark and light, the flavors are a symphony in your mouth, each note distinct yet harmoniously blended. Savor it, relish it, let it linger. Don't rush, don't gulp. This is a moment to be savored, a moment to be cherished. Every sip is a moment to cherish, a moment of mindfulness. Mindfulness doesn't end with the first sip. It continues with every sip you take. Each taste of your coffee can be a moment of reflection, a pause in the rush of life, a chance to immerse yourself in the present. As the warmth of the coffee spreads through you, allow it to ground you in the here and now. Notice how each sip is unique, just like each moment. The subtle nuances of flavor, the interplay of bitter and sweet, the delicate dance of aroma and taste. Whether it's the quiet solitude of dawn, the bustling energy of midday, or the serene calm of an evening, each sip can be a mindful experience, a reminder to be fully present. Remember, it's not about rushing to the bottom of the cup, but about relishing the journey, one sip at a time. Your coffee ritual is a sacred pause, a time to be truly present. Embrace this mindful cup of coffee as your daily ritual. Allow it to become a sanctuary in your day, a moment of calm amidst the whirlwind of life's demands. By transforming this everyday act into a mindful ritual, we invite not just the flavors of the coffee, but also a deeper sense of presence and connection into our lives. Mindful coffee drinking offers a wealth of benefits. It can help to reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivate a greater appreciation for the small pleasures in life. It is a simple yet powerful way to practice mindfulness, a gift of tranquility that we can give to ourselves each day. So, take this invitation to heart. Make your daily coffee not just a caffeine fix, but a mindful ritual. Let it be a moment of pause, a space for reflection, a time to simply be. With every cup, find mindfulness in the simplest acts, awakening joy and serenity. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mindfulness.